welcome back to my channel. Today is a very beautiful sunny day and I was thinking to share with you my favorite DIY lip scrub. To me, it's the world's best and affordable lip scrub that works perfectly. So for this lip scrub, we need sugar, lemon, honey, coconut oil and rose water. Very simple. This is basically a secret recipe and it will save you a lot of money. I have used a lot of different scrubs that you can find in Sephora, you can find in every beauty store, but this one works just the best. To preserve your lip scrub, you can buy this type of container. I got mine from dollar store. You can check in any craft store. These are so cute and just perfect for preserving the product. So to make the scrub, first I have taken 2 teaspoons of white sugar. You can take brown sugar. I prefer brown sugar, but today I don't have it at home. I have added 1 teaspoon of lemon and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Lemon and honey are great for brightening and bleaching your lips. Honey is also great for chappy lips, so it's very moisturizing. Then I will be adding some coconut oil. Coconut oil is up to you how much you want it. It's for moisturizing. So I'm adding about half teaspoon coconut oil here, but you can also minimize it. If it's summer, you don't need much because it melts and make it more liquidy. So a few drops is good enough. But in winter time, you can add a little more. And now I'm adding some rose water. You can use any of your favorite rose water, just few drops, to make it more smooth and moisturizing, and the fragrance is just amazing. Rose water is also good for pigmentation, so if you have pigmented lips, all these ingredients have the bleaching effect, so regular use will give you the perfect lips that you dream always. And now I will check it again, just checking the granules. Like, we all have different preferences. You can always go up and down with the sugar to make it just perfect as you want. So I feel like I need some more sugar. I want it more granular, so the scrub works better. The more it's granular, it works really better. So yeah, but if you want it more smoother, if your lips are sensitive, then just go down with the sugar. So that's very simple, and it just took no time, like less than 5 minutes. So this scrub is amazing, and now I'm taking it to this cute little pot, make it look more professional. You can also design it, you can add a tag over it, give it a name, whatever you want, make it more fancy, it's up to you. And then once you are ready with this jar, you can keep it in your bathroom shelf or anywhere you want basically, and whenever you go for a face wash or shower, you can use it. You can also refrigerate it if you want it in more harder consistency, but I prefer using it in normal temperature. And try to use it at least 3 times a week or every day also works. There is no harmful effect, so you can use it anytime you want. I hope you really enjoyed my video, and please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you on my next video. Till then, stay well. Bye.